Hello everyone, welcome to Traders Corner. In this video, I will explain how I grabbed 100 points in Bank Nifty. So let's see how I have grabbed 100 points in today's market. Okay, so first of all, if we see yesterday where the market has stopped the downfall is nothing but it's on 21st April 23's strong demand zone. So that is the reason why market has stopped here. Okay, so regarding the same level, I have mentioned in my YouTube video also, and also I have mentioned in my Traders Corner group where I do Nifty Bank Nifty Intraday. What are the important levels? So from time to time, I give what are the important levels. So you can see this one on Wednesday. I have clearly given a video. What is the current situation of the market? Markets are crashing. What you should do? Buy or sell? I have explained very clearly what are the buying and selling levels and at what levels which you are supposed to do. And all these levels are based on purely technical analysis and it's based on strong supply and demand zone. So if you have any doubts, you can watch the videos which is mentioned over here. That will give you some idea. So this is my Telegram channel, Traders Corner. What has happened actually is since the market has gapped up heavily, most of the people, because of the huge selling happened, we might have gone into or thought about sell opportunity. So what is the market has given any clue about whether the today's market will be trendy or not? Okay, so this is the first 15 minutes candle, and in my this video, like I have explained very clearly how we can identify whether market will be sideways or not. So kindly have a look of that one. So by keeping 15 minutes chart, how we can identify whether it will be trendy or not, I have explained that. So again, let's go into the charts. Okay, so since the market has closed here, and I'll be explaining with option chart also. Okay, so based on this, these are the major selling levels over here. Okay, so at this point, people have might have got shorted because this is a market hugely gap up, and this is also strong resistance. So if anyone might have gone for sell entry, the stop loss would have triggered here. And again, what has happened? Again, it came down and it broke and it went up, and from where it rejected from these levels. So how I grabbed 100 points is like when the market was going, like for every candle it was going up, and I did not get any setup. Like my entry is like wherever I get minimum stop loss, I go for the entry. So my first opportunity over here is around 10:20. Okay, and also I go with 3 minutes chart Bank Nifty intraday trading. Okay, so what has happened? So I did not enter in any of this one. I went like for any kind of market, if it is a trendy market, 90% of the time market will come for a retracement and then only it will go up. So from my 15 minutes confirmation, like 15 minutes chart, so this is the 15 minutes chart, and the first 15 minutes candle was broken strongly, and there were two huge moves happen. So for the market to be trendy again, what will happen? It will come down for a retracement. So I come to 3 minutes chart. So this was my entry over here around 10:24, and what is my confirmation? So I trade with option chart, and what we are seeing is nothing but VWAP. VWAP is just for reference. As long as the price is above VWAP, will be in buy market. Okay. So today in the opening market, I did not get any opportunity or any confirmation to take a trades over here. Anywhere in this region, I did not get any opportunity in this rally. But what has happened? I was waiting for a pullback. Okay. So the confirmation is to give a clue to you guys. Like I was waiting for the retracement to happen. So the same thing happened over here. The price came to VWAP area. At the same time, I use RSI over here. Okay, so I use RSI as another confirmation. So whenever RSI is coming to 20, I use the setup RSI 3 and 80 and 20 bands. Okay, so I use option chart, spot chart, and also I in the option chart I use RSI. Okay, I was waiting for the RSI to cool off. So after the up move has happened, I waited for the retracement, and I combine RSI with price action, which is nothing but whenever the price come to this range, I was waiting for a strong green color candle. So which is nothing but this was a strong green color candle. So my entry was over here. Okay. So my minimum target is nothing but 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 2. Okay. So over here, if you see, and also after this green color candle my entry triggered, and when it is coming close to my stop loss I have averaged my position. So now this is my entry was around, you can see here on the right side, 334, and my stop loss is 316, and my minimum risk reward is nothing but 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2. So whereas if I may place my entry over here, this is my 1 is to 2. Okay, so as per the trade setup, my entry point is around 348 rupees. My stop loss is 316. So you can see very clearly 32 points is my stop loss. Okay, and my overall target is 415. So what has happened when the price came down to retracement, I averaged more. So now my entry price is around 334, but my stop loss will remain the same around 411. So if you see here in the risk reward ratio, my risk reward ratio is nothing but, for a risk of 18 points, my target is around 78 points. Okay, so here my risk reward ratio is 1 is to 4. So this was my trade today, where it has gone from almost here to this much. So from the entry point of 334, it has gone to 415. I closed around 415. Okay, because this was the first reversal candle it came. So what did I do? I wait for another candle to close below this, but it did not come. So when it came for this green, I have closed around this area. Okay, so almost I averaged my points here, and it was around 313 points. Sorry, yeah, 330, and I booked it around 414. So this was my trade, and I gave updates about all these things in my group. So this is how I made a profit today. So after this trade, since it is Friday also, I did not go for any trade. I was relaxing for rest of the day. Okay, so this is my trade setup, and if you guys have any doubt, please kindly comment in the comment section below. I can explain you if you guys have any doubt. So I follow supply and demand zone, price action, and RSI 3 with the 80 and 20 bands. So this is my trade setup for the day. So I request you guys to trade always in the trend and not against the trend, and be profitable on a longer run. So if you see in Bank Nifty futures chart also, this is the point where it got cooled off. It came to the range here. So this was my entry point. So you can say Bank Nifty started moving from, like my entry is from 42,9062 to almost I closed around 43,043. Okay, so this is close enough to almost 100 points in this rally. So this is my trade setup, and if you guys have any doubt, please comment in the section below. I will update, or else you can ask your doubts in my Telegram group also. So once again, this is my channel, Traders Corner. Okay, always trade with conviction. Do not rely on anyone's call. Kindly use your own trade setup and be profitable. So kindly learn each and every day. Do not repeat your mistakes and be profitable on a longer run. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. So I request you guys to kindly like and subscribe my channel, and do enable the notification icon. So in future, if I post with such strategies and updates, you will get notified.